Alright guys, welcome back. B&B SimTV. We're out here at the Moonshine run. We're at the new section where it connects to Corkscrew. As of right now, when we're filming this video, it's not completely open yet, but we asked park rangers and everybody and they said it was okay for us to ride it. So yeah, it's not officially open yet, but we have permission. We're not poaching the trail. So anyway, we can give you a little look. Starts off where the drop line and the berm line are at the very end of Moonshine, and comes into the split to the left. And we're gonna walk down it because we've never seen it before. And before we attempt it, we figured we should look at it first. Ain't that right, babe? Mm-hmm. So it looks like it comes into a nice berm. Ooh, that's a pretty good berm. To another berm. Oh man, comes into a rock drop right here. Oh, that's not so bad. About as high as my knee. Then clear off some of this so I can see what I'm doing. A little bit of a root rock garden. It comes into a rock garden here. All right. To a bigger drop. Oh, wow. That's quite the bigger drop, actually. That's not too bad. It looks like you can roll it almost. You came up to it right. That's got a good little distance on it though. And it comes into a rock garden. And it looks like it just connects back up to here. Up into Corkscrew. Yep. Yep, and then it just joins back up with Corkscrew up there. Alright, so I'm gonna I guess I'm gonna guinea pig this. Those drops look like a lot of fun though. Alright. First run in. Not sure if I'm gonna go for it or not yet. Kinda just wanna get a feel for how it rides. Whew. Oh, that's a... Ooh. Oh, man. Okay. That's pretty nuts. I think I got it, though. Take two. See if I can't do it. It's kind of getting the speed for it. That worries me. Oh god, that's a little rough. Oh man, that rough garden, I went way too far to the right. You gotta really adjust quickly. Oh man. Okay, well the drop wasn't bad, but I did not line up for that rock garden. Alright y'all, so after that drop in that rock garden right there, / creek crossing, it comes into another drop here. I think I'm going to see if I can't just pedal into it and drop it. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hard part is, I'm trying to pedal into it. There we go. Whew, should really do that with a lot more speed. Yeah, that felt nose heavy. But if you can combine that whole line You can send that pretty easily. Anyway, let's continue on. On to... And it's a good thing they left the flags up. So this is where the exit is, and it takes you straight to Corkscrew. And now we're on Corkscrew. So yeah, that's a cool little connector. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video.
We did it.
That was a new connector. That was
Awful.
well, I thought it was fun.
I didn't like it.
She didn't like it, but it's got some pretty fun drops. That drop into a rock garden, that is pretty gnarly. I guess you gotta go more left. I went and kind of hit to the right each time, but
The black diamond for sure.
yeah, I'd agree. I'd say that's squarely definitely a black diamond little connector trail. But that is a lot of fun. So I can't wait to kind of connect that whole line. I want to connect it, but we don't have time today. So as always, like, subscribe, helps out the channel. Say hey to us if you see us in person, and bye.
Bye.
Not quite bye. I forgot to mention that was not actually officially open yet. So as of when we filmed it, it's not officially open. Wait for it to open. It'll be worth it. We have permission from the park rangers though, so that's why we're out here filming it and riding it. But as always, like, subscribe. Bye again, for real.